Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, and Alhamdulillah I am fine too. So today I'm here again with my brand new video. The topic of today's video is also about sounds, but what I have decided that instead of doing 2 sounds or letter in a day, we have to do now it quickly. So I have decided to do 4 letters and sound with all of you, because I know Alhamdulillah my munchkins are also now becoming bigger, so they can have the 4 letters and sound one time as well. So before I can wait, let's start the video, and I'm welcoming them again who have just joined me. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so which letter is this? This is letter I. Which letter is this? Letter I. Which letter is this? Letter I. And any guesses? What is the sound of letter I? Any guesses? I will tell you. Letter I sounds E. Letter I sounds E. So this is letter I and this is sound E. Letter I sounds E. Letter I sounds E. And what I'm going to do? Now I'm putting them on my board. Letter I sounds E. Letter I sounds E. Okay. Here we go. Here is another letter. Which letter is this? Oh, mashallah. Yes. Letter R. Which letter is this? Letter R. And any guesses? What is the sound of letter R? Letter R sounds. Yes, letter R sounds Everybody do it with me. Letter R sounds So what am I doing? I'm going to put it on my board. Letter R sounds Let's repeat them again. Letter I sounds E. Letter R sounds Letter J. And what is the sound of letter J? Any guesses? Yes, good job. Letter J sounds J. Letter J sounds J. So what I will do? I will put them on my board. Letter J sounds J. So let's have a revision again. Letter I sounds E. Letter R sounds Letter J sounds J. Letter J sounds J. Okay, here you go. Letter L. Letter L. Letter L. Which letter is this? Letter L. Which letter is this? Letter L. And what is the sound of letter L? L. What is the sound of letter L? L. What is the sound of letter L? L. Okay, letter L sounds L. And what I will do? I will put them on my board. Letter L sounds L. Okay, now let's repeat them again. Letter I sounds E. Letter R sounds Letter J sounds J. Letter L sounds L. So these are the letters and sounds which we have done. And this is, what is this? This is our vocabulary basket. And what do I have in my basket? I have the vocabulary pictures in this basket. So what I will do, I will take out my first picture and you will tell me what is this. Yes. Which picture is this? Ink pot. Good job. And what is the beginning sound of ink pot? E. Ink pot. Say it with me. E. Ink pot. And where is my sound E? There you go. E. Ink pot. E. Ink pot. E. Ink pot. Okay, now. Oh wow, what is this? Yes, this is a flower. And what is the name of this flower? It has a very nice smell. Yes, it's a rose. And what is the beginning sound of rose? Rose. Rose. And where is my sound? Here it is. Rose. Rose. Okay. And which animal is coming out And what is this? We also called it king of a jungle. So what is this? Which animal is this? It's a lion. And what is the beginning sound of lion? Lion. Lion. So here you go. A lion. And what is this? Where mommy keeps the cookies safe? In the jar. Excellent. And jar begins with j. Jar begins with j. Jar. Okay. Now, what is this? And who lives in this? It's an igloo. What is the beginning sound of igloo? Igloo. And who lives in the igloo? Eskimos lives in the igloo. Very good. Igloo. Okay, now what is coming up next? Here we go, where you can see in the, yes, on the sky, in the air. What is this? And it goes really very fast. It's a rocket. Rocket begins with rocket. Rocket. And then we have any guesses? Any guesses? It's a lamp. When we go for sleep, what mommy puts on? Mommy puts on the lights of a lamp. And what is this? It's a lamp. And lamp begins with lamp. And what is this? My last picture. It's a jacket. Jacket begins with j. Jacket begins with j. Jacket. Now, let's repeat all the letters and sound along with the vocabulary pictures. Letter I sounds E. E, egg pot. E, igloo. Letter R sounds rose, rocket. Letter J sounds J, jar, jacket. Letter L sounds lion, lamb. So this is the vocabulary pictures and the letters and the sounds, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. So what is the last step? What we will do? Yes, now we will do wind up. We will pick up the vocabulary pictures and put them back in our basket. So first I will pick up E, ink pot, and E, igloo. Rocket. Rose. Lamp. Lion. Jacket. Jar. So, letter I sounds E. Letter R sounds R. Letter L sounds O. Letter J sounds J. So we have done with the wind up. So I hope you all have enjoyed the lesson and you all will be get benefit from this lesson until my next video. Allah Hafiz from Zuni aunty side.